Hey everybody, tonight we're walking around Market Square in downtown Houston, seeing all these cool little old places, bars, and looking at Market Square Park itself. Oh my goodness. Henke and Pillot. Let's see what this is all about. Let's go. Here's Warren's. Duke of Hollywood Tailors. Well, that looks pretty old. Char Bar. This says Warren's Inn. It says, let's see what this is all about. It looks like a bar. So these are things you just don't know about in downtown Houston. It'll surprise you around every corner. And right next to Warren's is Cru. Let's see what that's all about. That's a bar too. So you look for nightlife in Houston, and what do you see? You see 7 distinct areas, and it says nothing about the nightlife here, and it looks pretty hopping on a Sunday night. Henke and Pillot. It's like a bar slash nightclub. It's pretty old. And then La Carafe, which is the oldest bar in downtown Houston. It's got a really cool vibe in there. Let's take a walk on that side so we can take a look inside of both of those. Oh, it's green now. And what is this? Looks like the Hearsay bar. Kind of cool. Kind of like a low-key smoky bar. Yeah, take a look at this thing here. Oh my goodness. Very nice. I have never actually been down this side of this street. I might have driven this way. I'm sure I have, but it's always cool to check out and see what's what. Cold beer plus cocktails, a local joint, and make it monkey. Oh, I've heard of this place actually. One-armed scissor. Cool. Back to Congress, and those 2 bars I was going to tell you about over here. These are basically the bars in downtown Houston Market Square area. So this is the La Carafe, which is the oldest bar in downtown Houston. You can take a look in there and see what it looks like. It's kind of like a low-key smoky bar. Actually, I do kind of smell something come out of there, so I was probably right. Valet zone, Tuesday through Sunday, 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. And here's your friendly valet. I didn't actually get to see what it looks like in there. Henke and Pillot. It's like blue and stuff like that. You got chandeliers and all kinds of cool stuff. Here's that cool sign that says Houston is inspired, kind of graffiti art here. We're gonna head on the other side of Market Square to take a look and see what's over there. Obviously this side is all parking. Maybe I should check out that parking next time I come over here. I actually parked, I don't know how many miles away, probably about 5 miles. So I'm gonna have to find some other kind of means to get back to my car tonight, especially since I have to work tomorrow early in the morning. There's a look at Market Square Park again. These little water tables, no pun intended. Petite Lucy, it's like a coffee bar. There's another one. The lights are on. It says Tavern. This is the historic district, and historic it is. That's more modern at that end, but over here is definitely the historic district. And it looks like the only things that are over here are the CVS and Market Square Tower, but I want to go check out that tavern down there. I guess I'm just lollygagging and not paying attention here to the walk signal. That's Milam Street there. I think it's a hotel. Ballet. It's probably a hotel. Oh no, this is it. Tavern. Crazy. We got to get a look in here. Tavern by Hearsay. So Hearsay was the other one on the other side over there. But this is we're walking down, but I got to get the camera to go higher up there. That's pretty cool. Oh my goodness, dogfight. Check it. Anyway, I don't see any other bars down here, unless that's one on the side. It kind of looks like there's something over there. Let's check it out. Market Square Tower. Speaking of dogs barking, mine are barking since I've been walking about 8 miles now. $15 seconds. Cool. Let's see what this this is all about down here. I'm gonna guess this is probably not a bar. La Fisheria. Anyway, thanks for coming along for the ride in Market Square in downtown Houston on a Sunday night. Don't forget to check out the Patreon if you'd like to support the channel that way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. There's the clock tower here in Market Square.